In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your GST return in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from inside QuickBooks, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to review, and how to confidently submit your return. Make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account before you start so you can follow along step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the VAT Center. On the left-hand menu, look for the Taxes option and click it. This opens the main tax area in QuickBooks. Along the top of this page, choose the VAT tab. This is where you'll see all of your VAT or GST activity, including open returns, filed returns, and any payments or refunds. Next, you're going to prepare the return for the period that's due. In the Returns section, find the specific VAT return that applies to the period you want to file. Take a moment to double-check the dates so you're working on the correct one. Once you've found it, click the option labeled Prepare Return next to that period. This opens up the return summary page. Now it's time to carefully review the figures. On the summary page, you'll see 9 boxes that make up your VAT return. Go through each of these boxes one by one and check that the amounts look correct based on your records. If you want to understand how QuickBooks arrived at a particular number, you can click into any box to drill down and see the underlying transactions that make up that total. This is really useful for spotting errors, missing invoices, or anything that's been coded incorrectly. If you spot something that needs to be adjusted, such as a credit note or a discount that hasn't been captured properly, use the Adjust option next to the relevant line. Enter your adjustment carefully and make sure you keep your own notes or documentation to support any changes you make. Before submitting, it's a good idea to run the VAT Error Checker or the VAT Liability Report. These tools give you a more detailed review of your figures and can highlight common issues before you file, helping you avoid amendments later. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate and complete, you're ready to submit to the tax authority. Click Submit to HMRC. On the next screen, you'll see a declaration confirming that the information you're sending is true and complete. Tick the checkbox to confirm, then select Submit to HMRC again. Once you've done this, do not close the page until you see a confirmation message with a receipt number from the tax authority. That receipt number is your proof that the submission has been accepted. When you see it, you can click Done to close the window, and your GST return is now filed in QuickBooks Online.